not forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for daily updates. Hello friends, welcome to Express Current Affairs. Let us see the important topics covered from today's Hindu newspaper along with the important questions that might appear in coming exams. I have provided you the PDF link of yesterday's video. Do download it, mentioned in the description below. Now let's start. Which country's space probe touched down on the far side of the moon on Jan 3, 2019? India, USA, Russia or China? The answer is D, China. A very important topic from science and technology. Do expect a questions from this area. China's space probe touched down on the far side of the moon on Jan 3, 2019. China became the first ever country to achieve this milestone. Now we can see only one side of the moon always. We do not know what is on the far side of the moon because the rotation and the revolution of the moon are approximately equal. It takes 27 days for the moon to orbit round the earth and same days to rotate on its own axis. Now Chinese space probe Chang'e 4 lunar probe, which was launched in December, made a soft landing on far side of the moon on Jan 3, 2019. The previous spacecrafts have seen the far side but none has landed on it. Remember, China wants to become a major space power by 2030. Which state is famous for Kali Masi or Kadaknath chicken? Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh or Sikkim? The answer is B, Madhya Pradesh. Again, very important topic, the Kadaknath chicken recently got the geographical indicator tag in the year 2018. This Kadaknath chicken is reared by Jabua's Adivasi communities. Now, the principal scientist of Jabua's Krishi Vignan Kendra writes a letter to Indian cricket captain Virat Kohli and the Board of Cricket Control of India (BCCI). Now, he says cricketers won't have to go vegan to avoid fat or cholesterol. They can consume the meat of Kadaknath chickens of Madhya Pradesh. Now, this Kadaknath chicken of Madhya Pradesh has very low cholesterol content when compared to regular white chicken. It also has high levels of protein, iron and amino acids. Which article of the fundamental rights is violated when a patient in mental asylum kept in chains? Article 19, Article 20, Article 21 or Article 32? The answer is C. Article 21 of the fundamental rights is violated when a patient in mental asylum kept in chains. You need to know all the important articles, particularly articles of the fundamental rights and directive principles of state policies, very important from exam point of view. Article 21, which talks about the right to life and personal liberty. Recently, Supreme Court summoned the Solicitor General after getting to know that patients in mental asylum in Badaun district of Uttar Pradesh are kept in chains. Supreme Court observes that mentally ill person is also a human being and has a dignified life. The court said that even if the patients were prone to violence, the answer is not to keep them chained or even isolated. Now, shackling these patients in iron chains was against the provisions of the Mental Health Act of 2017. Which state has the highest dropout rate for school children in India? Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Jharkhand, Arunachal Pradesh. The answer is C, Jharkhand. The state of Jharkhand has the highest dropout rate for the school children in India. Only 30 out of 100 students finish the school in Jharkhand. And only 61 out of 100 ST students finish the senior schooling, the lowest among all the communities. Now, ST is the scheduled tribe students and senior schooling is the 11th and 12th standard. Whereas Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Himachal Pradesh and Maharashtra have the lowest dropout rates. Which cricketer becomes the fastest to reach 19,000 international runs? Cheteshwar Pujara, Virat Kohli, Rohit Sharma, Tim Payne. The answer is B. Virat Kohli. Virat Kohli, the captain of Indian cricket team, becomes the fastest cricketer to reach 19,000 international runs. He beats his idol Sachin Tendulkar to reach this milestone in just 399 innings, while Sachin did it in 432 innings. Who became the first ever Indian wicketkeeper to slam a test century on Australian soil? MS Dhoni, Rishabh Pant, Farooq Engineer, Rahul Dravid. The answer is B. Rishabh Pant. Now, Rishabh Pant became the first ever Indian wicketkeeper to slam a test century on Australian soil. He makes a test century in the first innings of the fourth test against Australia in the Sydney Cricket Ground. Earlier, Farooq Engineer made the highest score of 89 in Australia in the year 1967. He was also an Indian wicketkeeper. Afghanistan Parliament was built by the assistance of which of the following country? China, USA, India or Russia? The answer is C. India. Afghanistan Parliament was built by the assistance of India. Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated the new Afghanistan Parliament building in the month of December in the year 2015. A block in the new building was named after Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee as Atal Block. Now, recently Donald Trump makes derogatory comments on Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi that Modi told Trump he had built a library in Afghanistan. Now, to make matters more worse, the US President even wondered who would use a library in Afghanistan. Donald Trump is believed to have mistaken the parliament building that India built for Afghan with a library. Let's see the question for the day. Supreme Court will hear review petition on Sabarimala verdict on which day? Jan 22nd, Jan 23rd, Jan 24th or Jan 25th. Now, reviewing the Supreme Court judgment is very rare. So you need to know the answer for this. Mention your answers in the comment section. What is the current retirement age of the Supreme Court judges? 58 years, 60 years, 62 years or 65 years? Let's see the answer for yesterday's question. Which country topped in the Climate Change Performance Index 2019? Morocco, Sweden, Lithuania or Saudi Arabia? The answer is B. Sweden, as rightly answered by Rohit Tripathi, Hari Lokesh, Bishal Rai and Nitish Kumar. Thank you all guys for following my videos regularly. Now, Climate Change Performance Index is an annual publication by German Watch, New Climate Institute and Climate Action Network Europe. Now, you take any index, you need to know the top 3 countries and the bottom 3 countries along with the publications of that index. This is where the questions appear. Now, the top 3 countries are Sweden, Morocco and Lithuania, and bottom 3 countries are Saudi Arabia, US and Iran. The quote for the day is, what defines us is how well we rise after falling. So give a deaf ear to those who discourage you, and every time you fall, rise like a phoenix. This is it for today. Have a nice day. See you tomorrow. Thank you all for watching. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe.